What's up guys, AK with DCCtrain. Welcome to a new channel, Trains Automation. I'm getting a lot of questions about different digital system manufacturers and software manufacturers to control your model trains. Sounds like a little bit complicated, but that's what I try to simplify. I'm building my dream layout based on Rocco Z21 digital system, and this is layout exactly Bob Fuller doing tutorials about iTrain. So I'll put link in the description to his channel, and that's what I want to do. He mentioned also some guys did the same thing, but I'm not watching different videos. So I'll try step by step to do the same what he's doing, and will add some my thoughts to the process. You don't need to be a programmer. The new software, including iTrain, which is will be my main software, it's all interactive and just requires some knowledge and practice. So let's get started.